week before the video starts, you feel me? We got 435 subs right now. Go ahead and subscribe real quick, you feel me? I know I ain't posting mad long, I ain't posting mad long, but we niggas about to hop on that grind, you feel me? Get back consistent. I got another video dropping after this, you feel me? Hope y'all enjoy this little monkey video, you feel me? Feel me? But go ahead and subscribe real quick. Niggas about to hop on that consistency, no cap. Let's get right to the video. Now this your boy Sasa 3 times back in another video. Holding original. Your boy Sasa 3 times. You about to do who I'm here with?
Yachty
Band. Who I'm here with?
NJ.
Who that in the back?
Kurt.
Why? Oh, wow. You about to do a little quick little smash, marry, kill type shit, monkey video. You feel me? Little calm shit. Who y'all think y'all winning? I think I'm winning. I ain't gonna jail.
Yo, bro, I'll beat you.
You got the first cut. You cheated.
Listen, bro.
You got the first cut. You got the first cut. You cheated.
YouTube. I'll beat him. Y'all not gonna see that video because that
not beat me, bro.
I'll beat him. I'm telling you, I'll beat. Yo, I'll whoop your ass.
Alright, let's get right to this nigga chat. Let's see what we talking about. Girls only, y'all see that new niggas.
She 22.
You talking about that? I saw a nigga.
You know how that go.
You know how that go. Where?
How that go.
Let me see. You?
Or you're ahead. Why are you ahead, bro?
Nah. Oh no. She gave me some.
Damn. Oh, what's going on, Sasa? You gonna have to do a whole lot of editing with that shit.
Yo.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Yeah, how old is you?
Oh. What?
How old is you?
I'm 19.
Oh, why? Where you from?
Massachusetts.
Oh, why? Peak game. Rate us all 1 through 10, starting with me. I said rate us all 1 through 10, starting with me.
Shut the fuck up, Gringo.
Yeah, Gringo, shut the fuck up.
I thought.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, go ahead.
Anyways, I'll rate you.
Yeah. Damn.
I like you. You got
that little edit thing.
Come on.
No comment. I rate you 8.5.
Who, me?
In the middle.
In the middle.
I rate him at 8.3 in the back.
Alright. What about her?
I rate him a 9.8.
Bust your ass. Bust your. Thank you so much, miss. Busting these niggas ass.
She just.
You? Oh, she got hella.
Is that a hickey on your chest? That's a hickey on your skip. Skip it.
No. We don't know this bitch.
It's a hickey on your
We don't
What
know
were
her.
you doing before this?
Yeah, how old is you?
19.
Oh, why? Where you from?
Cali.
Oh, why? Type shit. Alright, look, peak game. Rate all 1 through 10, starting with me.
Okay. 7.
Me? 7.
Mm-hmm.
And why him?
6.
Fuck you.
That a 6 is not bad.
That's that A. That's bad. That's bad.
No, I honestly think 6 is good. Everything below 4, terrible.
Why?
I
What you
think
rate
you're
him?
6.
What you rate him?
I can't see. Oh, him right there
Yeah,
for the one in the
Kurt.
back.
Not him.
You forgot Kurt.
Nah.
6.
Alright, so the one in the back too.
I could barely see him.
Right there.
I could see it. 7.
Are you serious right now?
Alright, look. Alright, peak
I'm
game.
so.
Are you blind?
I'm so sorry.
Alright,
What the fuck?
Are you
Someone gave
blind?
you a 9.8.
Alright,
No,
are you
fuck
fucking
no.
blind?
No.
I mean, I do wear glasses, so I might be blind.
Yeah,
Just-
put them shits on. Put them shits on. Put them shits on.
Right,
Now,
you
now,
can see
now.
perfectly fine.
No,
This
now I'm so serious. Go in
It
the
was some
house and
girl
put them
before
on.
you. She gave
No,
this nigga
shut up.
9.8.
Shut up.
A
Because she gave
9.8.
Yachty a 6. That's fucking cap. She gave my son Sasa a 7. That's fucking cap. And she gave you Oh, what?
A
A
7,
A
nigga.
7, and that's motherfucking cap. You look way better than a fuck 7. Put on them glasses right now. I'm dead ass.
Okay, he's gay.
Hey, what you mean by that?
What you
Like,
mean?
we some young. Yeah,
why
she
look?
trying to
He
play.
was about to say something gay.
She
To be
probably,
quite honest, I don't rate people because I feel like numbers don't describe a person's like attraction.
ma'am, I don't care.
Why did
I don't care, fuck, bro.
Like
just said
mix between, bro. That shit crazy.
She said, you toxic.
What's going on?
I'm gonna kill you. At least.
What you trying to say? Y'all not loyal?
Yachty's a
This
real
nigga
man.
Jotty's the biggest hoe I know.
Oh, nah.
Man.
That's crazy.
They from Brooklyn though.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yo.
Damn, I'm not even in it.
Yo, where y'all from?
I'm not even in it.
Yo,
Wait, please be quiet for.
Slide the chair.
you not coming in.
Slide the chair.
Yeah, where y'all
Come
from?
on.
Slide the chair. Nigga.
Hi.
You not in any? Oh, they on the 2 screen shit.
Oh, that's
why.
why.
It's hella
Where
niggas
y'all
in
from?
that shit.
New York.
Oh, why?
Where you is too?
My hair looks ugly.
Where you is too?
Oh yeah, let's tour apart.
The Bronx.
The Bronx.
Why'd you say the dirty part, bro? You could have said, you could have said Manhattan or
Good
something.
question.
Yo, how old is you?
I'm 17.
Oh, why? Look, peek in. Rate us all 1 through 10, starting with me.
London. What? You're supposed to be my best friend, assistant. Huh? Like you're supposed to be my best friend. You supposed to be. I'm not in this. Disrespectful heifer. I'm doing something. I got you, bro. 7 point.
What's going on?
7.5.
Okay,
If I
what
go
do
down,
you want?
that's fine.
7.5?
Ba-
You said what?
Yeah, like
She on me,
8.5?
yeah.
Oh, wow, what you rate him?
This one in the middle,
Yeah.
She just rated you.
No, she did.
right?
Hmm?
I did. When you said on the way in the back, yeah.
What you rate him?
I said like a 7.9, and then you was like a 8.5.
Wow, she-
That's what I just said.
Well,
I'm
what about her?
fucking 7.
I'm right there. You're probably about like maybe like a 9.
Yo, I swear to God, they y'all be smoking, bro. I need some of that, bro. Skip her, bro. I'm done with this.
No, what are you doing, Kurt? Stop, Kurt, stop. Alright, ask the next question.
Don't be doing all that, Curtis.
I, what you rate him?
7.9.
Well, he was just being rude.
She gave me a 7.9.
I did not get.
Oh, she wasn't even talking to me then. Oh, my fault. My bad. I didn't.
Alright, so what you rate him?
Wait, can you come to the camera just a little bit? 8.2.
Oh,
That's
alright.
good.
Okay.
Nah, I'm still mad you get that nigga a 9, bro.
7.9
Bro,
is
why you
crazy.
hating, bro?
That's just specific as hell.
7.9 is crazy.
She gave you a 7.9.
And she gave me an 8.2.
She gave him an 8 and an 8.
Nah, I'm not gonna
I'm
cut.
up to score, y'all niggas. I told you, bro.
What drug she does.
Yo, go to your next question.
I look, P Games. Who would you smash, marry, or kill? You would kill 2 people.
London! Please come back to the phone. I'm curling my hair. What do you want? I already told you to get cute for none of these niggas. They're not even worth it.
Damn.
Damn.
Not y'all.
Oh, alright. Oh,
Not
alright.
worth it. But I'm not getting cute for nobody. What are you talking about, bro?
You told me.
You?
Newark, oh, they too close.
You're
What?
not close.
Oh, y'all in Union.
Oh,
Yeah, you ain't
that's
that
right.
right.
You go to King,
Oh, alright.
You got
You go to King?
How old is y'all?
19.
Oh, alright. I look,
You
P.
got signed.
I look, P Game.
4 PF.
Rate all us 1 through 10. Starting with me.
He's on.
What?
Rate all us
You
1
go
through.
first.
You sound a little baby?
I don't know.
Why you gonna throw me under the bus, bitch? Okay.
Imagine they get a 4 PF King.
Wait, what was the question? You said rate all of them 1 through 10. Starting with you? Start for him.
I'll give you an 8 because you got a cute little baby face.
Oh, alright.
Fuck.
Yeah, you definitely gotta keep this one in there. You gotta add one of them like ooh sounds or something.
Why? What about him?
7. I like your
Alright.
hair.
What about him? How big him?
In the back?
Yeah.
You said a 3?
Damn, a 3? Oh yeah, y'all definitely get skipped. That is nuts. Now you popping the camera. Don't be mad when I start hiking. I'm really gonna bomb you.
Alright, yo, let's keep going, yo.
Keep going.
Alright.
And the one in the corner, I really can't see him, so I can't rate him.
Right. It's a yo.
Yeah.
Oh, at least it's you, the uglier nigga. Like, they laughing and yeah.
Get a 9.
I get a 9.
Yeah.
What?
What about like you?
Yo, what is wrong with y'all, bro?
Yo, I can't hit him.
Wait.
Yeah. Alright. What's your
8, 6.
We can't see what you pointing at.
So 8?
She said, you were 8.
Mhm.
You were 6. The one in the middle. The back is
I think it's wild.
a 5, and then you are a 9.
Yo, 6.
Oh boy, y'all niggas.
Like, don't miss shit. What's your video title? English, I already know.
Oh, like your life just crying.
Scary, bro. Oh, monkey.
I think only females be doing that shit. Hello,
You?
fucking-
Oh, Kurt.
How old are you?
Why you gotta say yo, Kurt?
She's
17.
And why?
What
Where you
that
from?
got to do anything? Not skimpy ass.
Hey, she
I'm
got
17.
I said, where you from?
We not blunt alone, bro. Look.
Oh shit, you heard me, my fault.
I'm rolling a damn flat rap. Like, what the fuck is a flat rap? My mama gave me this shit. I'm pissed.
Where you from though?
North Carolina.
Oh, alright. Alright, look, peek in. Rate us 1 through 10. Start with me.
You can get a 8. You can get a 7, and you can get a you can get a like a.
Why the little laugh before you say anything, bro?
I don't know. I don't know what the fuck she said.
I look. Can I get like a +2? If see, look, none of these niggas smoke. Look.
Yeah, he
real
smoked. He
stoner.
smoked. He
I can
smoked.
barely. If somebody in the back talking, you a figure. Like I can't even see you.
Yo, man, bro, skip this shit.
Alright.
What you right here?
Who? Him?
Yeah.
Him?
Mhm.
He's the one I gave a 9.
And why? What about the one in the back?
No, she just giggled. She didn't even give me a number. She and then she just went to the next nigga. But skip this shit.
No. Ask this question.
Alright, who's you smash, marry, kill out of us 3?
Stop pulling me,
I
nigga.
already answered it in ratings.
So Mary kill smash some shit like that.
Like, okay, who I'm gonna kill? I'm gonna kill the one in the middle. I'm sorry. I'm
It's
sorry.
okay, bro. It's okay.
Alright.
It's okay.
But the one on the right, my right, with that
You're right. That's Sasa.
right right here, the white letters. You smash, marry, kill. I'll marry you and I'll smash the other one, cause he fine.
Alright.
Yo, what type weed you got in that blunt? What's the name of that weed you got in that blunt?
This.
That's that.
It got purple runs in it though.
Nah, that shit all K2, cause you smoking some shit, yo.
Boy, like, killing me is crazy.
Yo.
She didn't even give me a rating. You talking about getting killed. I think you got a giggle.
You're all the way back there.
Killing me
Nigga.
is crazy.
So
yo.
you going, so my rating's a fucking
Maybe
laughing
if you come to
emoji.
the
Like, what
front,
the fuck?
like the fuck, you still back here.
Nah, killing me is wild.
Yo, what, bro?
That's wild.
My bad, babe.
I got a giggle.
But alright,
Real personal.
we gonna fuck with you.
I'm fuck.
Be safe.
I'm sick of this nigga. He can't.
I be got me. You?
Yo.
Hello.
What you look like?
Hello.
What you look like?
The nigga. That was a nigga.
Bro, Sasa.
Oh my god, I'm quick scoping. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You?
Oh fucking.
Dang, y'all deep.
Type shit.
4 deep in the stolo.
Where you from?
I'm from LA, California.
Oh, why? How old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, all right. Look, peek in. Rate us 1 through 10. Start with me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Well, that's automatically a point deducted. I'm gonna give you like
Excuse me, ma'am. I got a question before you do all that.
Wait, yo, chill.
Never mind.
I'm gonna give you like 8.5. 8.5.
All right, what
Get
about
deducted the point. You was gonna be a 9.
And then how old is he?
21.
Now she ready.
You sound too much.
That's cap.
You
Cause
don't
why
got
your
a
friend
beard.
laughing right here?
I'll show you my. I can't show you my ID card, brother. But I'll show you my ID.
You cool though. You cool though. I'll give you like 7.8, and then that's it. Just y'all two, or
That's it.
Come on, the camera.
Yeah,
my
I got
bad.
Chris
I was
first.
looking. I was in the.
Yeah.
lights automatically 2 points deducted. So
Damn.
I had to get.
It's not my fault. I was born light skinned. What the fuck? My mother pale as hell. What the fuck?
Come on, bro. I didn't.
You
That's
record?
that's you. You take it forever, nigga. Just get in the cam. You wanna? Like, nigga, come on, bro.
Guess I'm on the
Hey,
game.
bro, I don't give a fuck. We in the red. Like, come on.
Fuck.
Like, niggas not gonna tell. I can leave, nigga. Y'all niggas want me to be in wood.
Oh my god, y'all
Bro,
you tweaking,
I
you tweaking.
don't
Y'all
got
you
care,
tweaking out.
bro.
Sorry, you tweaking out.
That niggas not about to be wasting my time.
Yo,
with
y'all you
bro,
tweaking the
shit.
fuck out. Shut up.
Alright, bro.
That nigga.
Like, y'all niggas want some childish shit over the bed. Nigga, get
Yeah.
this shit over with. Y'all niggas
Yo.
doing all this extra shit.
Bro, I don't know what you're doing.
Fuck, you laughing? I'm dead ass. Like, this shit about to be done. I'm not about to do this shit no
You
more.
fucking
Y'all
yeah.
niggas, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas take forever just with one question. Like, nigga, get in the camera to get the question over with.
You talking about?
Like, all that extra shit for what, bro?
Yo, can I open up one of your windows?
Yo,
Why didn't it go on the right look familiar?
I don't know.
You know me?
No.
Sasa.
Hmm?
Sasa used to fuck what?
You can't see me. No.
Look familiar.
I ain't never called nobody.
Ah, yeah.
Where
Alright.
y'all from? Where y'all from?
We from New York. I thought he was gonna answer, but he ain't answer.
What you doing all that for? Like, right?
Oh, Sasa, you know
Where you
that?
from?
I'm from the 8.
Oh, alright, look. How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are y'all?
18.
Oh, 18.
Yeah.
I'm definitely getting back in the video.
Alright, check me out. Rate us all 1 through 10.
You see me in the back?
You laughing?
The nigga in the middle, I give him a 10 because I like dark skin. The
Type
nigga
shit.
beside him with the little red on his little shirt, whatever.
Well,
Let me guess. You don't
Tell
fuck with
me.
the light skin.
Said 9. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a 9.
Thank you.
Nigga on that other side, I'm gonna give him a 8 because
Eight.
he's just mysterious.
Brody in the back.
Bro in the back.
I gotta see him. Hold on. You gotta come up a little bit.
Damn,
Man,
what you mean?
it's 4 niggas in here, bro.
I'm gonna give him a 7.
Alright, we going for. Alright, look, we got another question.
What you-
Smash, marry, kill. Out of those 3.
I'm not included. Nigga in the back.
I'm killing a nigga on the right.
Damn, that's
Smash me
you.
on the
Damn, Nicole, you're dead.
Wait, shut up. Wait.
Oh, never mind.
You
Come
killing
on,
me?
yo.
You killing
No, she's smashing.
Oh.
so I'm getting
Oh,
killed.
it's the opposite way.
Yes, bro. It's common. Yo, y'all niggas be acting stupid when we get on shit.
Oh, I bet.
Alright, then.
Alright, damn, you gonna vote with you?
Yeah, y'all see, y'all about to start some shit again.
Yeah, like, get this shit done. Fuck, in the snap.
I wanna watch that shit.
Y'all fuck with it?
No.
What the fuck is that? Ew. What was that?
Yeah, can y'all tell it? Y'all fuck with that?
Yeah.
Oh, we was
Yeah,
definitely
alright.
not keeping track
This
of that
shit
shit.
light, nigga.
Yo.
Alright, which one you want?
What the fuck? How old
What
is
do you
it?
mean by that?
Alright,
How old is
look. We
y'all?
got a question for y'all.
Rate us all 1 through 10.
How old are y'all?
16.
She young as hell. The one in the back young as hell then. Alright, I'm already knowing.
No,
I'm on
she's
you.
6.
I'm the same age.
Are y'all
She's the
twins
same
or y'all
age.
friends?
Y'all twins?
Friend.
No,
Oh.
we're
Alright,
friends.
look. Ask you a question.
Oh, alright, rate us 1 through 10. Starting with me.
8.
Can I read the one in the back?
Yeah, me too.
They want to suck his shit bad as hell. But I go ahead.
Look at this.
Let me read the one in the back.
What?
Nah, me too for 10 out of 10.
We already know him, bro. Y'all gonna keep sucking his
I'm
dick.
like 8.
Wait, can I see what the guy?
Yeah, let's
Let's
see
see
the
what the
guy.
guy looks like over there.
You see?
You, let me see what you look like.
Wait, y'all skipped me. What's up?
Wait, you skipped it.
Yeah,
Oh,
we-
sorry.
So,
You just skipped everybody. Let me rate in the court.
Let me suck his dick.
That's all I heard.
Oh, you're a 10. You're a 10 also, the one over there.
Oh,
I saw
Kurt.
his face.
Yachty, I'm not in the camera.
Wait,
I saw your face for a second.
that's Kurt.
Oh shit, my fault.
See? You see what he looks
Alright,
like?
who would you smash, Mary kill?
Okay, you're
They blew my
They
shit.
still ain't
They-
ready.
they blew
What you
my
rate
shit.
him?
a 6.
What?
Would you smash me?
Anywho.
What drugs you gonna be taking?
Anywho.
I want them too in the back. Hey, do you want to have a threesome?
I'm a grown ass man.
How old are you guys?
Grown niggas, the
17.
fuck over 18.
Who's y'all smash, Mary kill?
Hold on. I gotta tell you guys something. AJ.
Y'all keep saying that, bro. I don't like jail.
Nicole feeling herself.
Yo, they from Baton Rouge.
I
They
didn't
from
do
Baton Rouge.
any. Yo, bro, I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, Nicole feeling herself.
I didn't do anything.
I'm pretty sure the court feeling stuff.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do
Yo,
anything.
Yachty, what you think?
That man feeling
I didn't do nothing. There was not
Nah,
one
that shit
action.
funny.
There was not one action I did that made me over.
Nah, this nigga definitely took the
I mean,
drugs today. He said, damn, I'm fucking up.
I'd say
Yo.
what's good?
How old are you?
17.
Where you from?
Texas.
White type shit. Hey, rate us 1 through 10.
Alright,
Start with me.
hold on, look at the camera real quick. Okay, you like a you like a 7.5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait, no, you like a 8. You like a 8. Okay, the dude next to you like a 7.5.
You keep playing my man.
Okay, who next?
On the back.
Some, like, come here.
Why you
You like a
Suck your shit.
stop?
you like a 7. Okay.
Wow, that's the lowest I got all night, bro.
So who,
Who set up? Who set up?
so who'd you smash, Mary kill?
Huh?
Who would you smash, Mary kill out of us 3?
Wait, actually, no. The dude in the back, I'll give him the 7.5. The dude in the front, I'll give you a 7.
You just gave my bro 8 and took a point back.
I'll give y'all both 7s. The dude in the
Alright,
front.
look. Next question.
Who would you smash, Mary kill?
Okay. And what was the question again?
Smash, marry, kill. Out of these 3 niggas right here.
Okay. I would marry him with the YouTube hoodie. Yeah.
That's how she talking.
I would.
If you kill my man, you get shot.
Hold on. Come here again. I gotta come like
Yo,
see
how
them
was
both
it?
together.
Y'all about to break this setup.
Okay, I'll smash the dude in the back and then kill him.
Yo, didn't I say don't kill my man, bro? Then I leave this
I
said don't
respect
kill
you.
my man, bro.
Respectfully.
I appreciate it.
Alright, gang.
This nigga.
That's it, Nicole said.
It's Crossfinger, baby.